Alright fam, it's already 10:59 p.m. Dito kami sa Matnog. Stranded pa rin. Okay, let's see ano nang nangyayari doon sa labas. Yan. Ganyan pa rin ang kaganapan. But at least ngayon nasa loob na kami ng pier. So 6 hours wait. Ganyan talaga. Anyways, just for reference, tataka kayo ba't ang tagal ng pila dito? Di ko alam kung talagang laging ganito yung pila para makasakay, makatawid. Pero ngayon, November 17, I think it's November 17. 17 ba? Yes, November 17. Kakatapos lang ng bagyong Pepito dito sa Matnog. So, may mga nakasabay kami kanina. 3 days na daw sila dito. At obviously, dahil 3 days na sila dito, nauna silang nakasakay. But good news is marami namang mga rorong dumadating, kaya mabilis din yung pagpapasakay sa mga gustong tumawid from Matnog to Allen Samar. Matter of fact, ngayon kami dumating alas 4. Although yun nga 6 hours na, wala pa rin, pero at least nakapasok na kami sa pier. Di naman siguro aabutin ng 3 araw to dito. Anyways, update na lang. Pasensya na guys, medyo dark dito sa loob kasi natutulog na yung mga kids ko at si Abby. Anyways, we'll keep you posted. Okay fam, time check 11:45 p.m. and finally dumating na rin yung barko na sasakyan namin. Yan siya. Saan yan? Yan. Yan. Yan yung barkong sasakyan namin. Narating lang. Ngayon nag-unload pa sila ng mga sasakyan, and then after nyan pasok na kami, and then who knows how long bago ito umalis puntang Samar. Baka siguro mga alas 2 na ng madaling araw, tapos isang oras doon. Hopefully by 3 AM nakatawid na kami, and then 7 or 8 hours papapunta doon. Anyways, at least nandito na. Ayos, finally dito na tayo sa loob ng barko. Pasakay na. Ay. The long wait is over. Time check 1:27 AM. 9 hours din. 9 hours din ang hintay. Anyways,
kabilang linya.
good news to. Ay. Samar, here we come. Alright fam, time check 4:12 in the morning. Mapakatawid pa lang namin ng dagat. So all in all, inabot kami ng 12 hours from the time na dumating kami sa Matnog at pagdating namin dito sa Allen Samar para makatawid. Dahil yan sa napakahabang pila. Yung ferry ride ay 1 or 2 hours lang yata. Hindi ko alam kasi nakatulog ako. Pero anyways, it's already 4:12 in the morning. 6 more hours to go, and then marireach na namin yung destination namin. So how was the ferry ride, Ab? Do you just sleep through it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Abby just slept through it. Alright, so we're gonna power on, and hopefully maganda yung weather ngayon para makapag-enjoy naman kahit pa paano. Alright.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Good morning, fam. Medyo sabog pa. Medyo bangag pa kasi 1 hour pa lang nakakalipas nang matawid natin yung dagat from Matnog to Allen. Yun, time check 5:35 ng umaga, at nag-stop muna kami dito sa Malupalo. Yan, Malupalo, gawa nga ng kailangan mag-stretching, at syempre maganda yung sunrise dito. Yan, nasa likod ko. Ganda ng sunrise. Hindi mo naman makikita yung sun, pero yung colors ng sunrise is very visible. Pero medyo medyo hindi na mas dramatic yung kulay ng sunrise ngayon, kasi syempre nag-picture pa kanina. In-enjoy muna. But anyways, yun yung update. 5:35 AM. Dito na kami sa Malupalo. Medyo 5 hours pa bago makarating sa destination namin. Alright, so come along with us, guys. And then yun, tutuloy natin yung adventure natin. Abby medyo pagod pa. Yun, ganun talaga. Hindi talaga kumpleto yung tulog mo kapag hindi ka nakahiga. Kapag sa sasakyan ka lang o kapag nakaupo ka lang, hindi talaga kumpleto. But anyways, pasensya na po, pagbigyan nyo na, ako lang muna. At kapag nakapag-rest na ng maayos si Abby, isasama natin dito. Ayos, ang ganda. Fam, stop ulit tayo kasi ang ganda talaga ng view. Yan o. Yan, may mga isla dyan. Grabe, ang ganda talaga. Ganda ng Pilipinas. Sarap mag road trip. Di ko lang alam kung saan to, pero kakalampas na namin sa Catbalogan. Labas lang ng Catbalogan, Samar to. Alright fam, nakarating na tayo sa Tacloban. Unfortunately, hindi tayo pwedeng makababa dun sa San Juanico Bridge kasi kadadaan lang namin. So walang picture doon, walang video. So gagamitin ko na lang yung old footage ko last year. Point the camera to Abby. Well, I showed you the San Juanico Bridge. We just passed by it. So what are your impressions about it?
Very beautiful. Yeah, there's a nice view of the bridge.
Yeah. So I was telling her that for the longest time, San Juanico Bridge was the longest bridge ever in the Philippines until recently when the bridge over in Cebu was constructed. What do you call that bridge?
Cebu Cordoba.
Cebu Cordoba Bridge. So, anyways, we weren't able to record it earlier because as we were driving there, because we were also excited. I guess I have no choice but to drive. But my brother right here, who's holding the camera right now, was also taking pictures and videos. So, anyways, after a long adventure, we're finally here in Tacloban in Leyte. A few more minutes to get to our destination, so watch out for that. We're gonna be able to create more content for you guys. And I was telling my wife earlier, this is probably her first ever road trip in the Philippines. I guess, yes, that's it, right, Abba?
Yeah.
And I was telling her that it's this, little tiny inconveniences like us being stranded last night. Maybe not tiny inconveniences, but these inconveniences is what makes for an adventure. It's not an adventure if it's comfortable all the time. I guess, breathe in the slow life and laid back life here in the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. That's what they say. I love the Philippines and I love it. Look at my hat. Anyways, I think we're gonna end our escapade here, our adventure, our vlog here, because we have already made it to Tacloban, to Leyte, and then in the next video we're gonna show you what we're up to. So thank you guys for watching. If you've reached this part of the video, if you like this video, like the video. If you don't like the video, dislike the video. And if you really liked it that much and you want to support us, please subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.